Are you a young Ghanaian between the ages of 18 and 40 and you believe you have the potential to become a leader who can make a real difference? Then you may want to pay attention to this opportunity. The PK Amoabeng Leadership Scholar Program is currently accepting applications for the next cohort. And this is not just another scholarship where you receive financial support and go back to your normal routine. This is a one-year intensive leadership development program designed to develop young people with strong values, discipline, innovative thinking, and commitment to service. In this video, I'm going to take you through the opportunity, who is eligible to apply, what the program is about, what you stand to gain, the documents you need, and finally, I will take you through how to apply step by step on their official application platform. So if you think this opportunity could be for you, make sure you watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel University Guys, because we regularly bring you scholarship, admission, internship, fellowship, and other opportunities that can help students and young people in Ghana. Now, let's get into the details. Before we look at the application, let's first understand what this program is about. The PK Amoabeng Leadership Scholar Program is a flagship initiative of the PK Amoabeng Leadership Foundation. It is a one-year leadership development program built around the foundation's vision of creating what it describes as the renovationalized mindset for African leader. The program is aimed at developing young leaders who are not only knowledgeable in their respective field, but who also have qualities such as patriotism, innovation, creativity, problem-solving ability, and a strong sense of character. The focus here is leadership development. The foundation wants to identify young people with leadership potential and expose them to experiences, training, mentorship, and environments that can help them become better leaders. And this is one of the things that makes this opportunity particularly interesting. Now, let us take a look at who can apply. According to the current information on the foundation's website, as we are taking a look at right now, first, you must be a Ghanaian. Secondly, you must be between the ages of 18 and 40 years. The foundation also looks at applicants who can demonstrate leadership potential, commitment to service, and moral force of character. A prior leadership experience is preferred. This could come from different areas of your life. For example, you may have been involved in a student organization, volunteered in your community, led a project, worked in an organization, founded an initiative, or even taken a responsibility for a team or activity. So don't assume that you need to be the president of a major organization before you can demonstrate leadership skills. These experiences can be important when presenting your leadership story. Also, there's a military leadership camp. This is an intense training that they take the selected applicants through so that they can build up discipline, resilience, and clarity under pressure. This is a major belief of the foundation, which they believe is very essential to transform leaders. The rationale of this camp is that it's designed to strip leadership back to its essentials. Let's take a look at how to apply for this Scholars Program. Interested young potential leaders should complete a bio data on the foundation's website, which the link have been added to this passage here for you to visit, and also send their personal statement, 2 letters of recommendation and CV, and also a mentorship need via their personal email not later than 15th of September 2026. First on the list is that you write a personal statement on why you are interested in becoming the PK Amoabeng Scholar. The foundation specifically asked applicants to include information about themselves and one leadership success or failure experience in their lifetime. So don't wait until you are sitting in the front desk of the application form before you start thinking about this. Start thinking about your story now. The second one is that you have 2 letters of recommendations that you have to provide from an employer, academic institution, community, a civil society organizer, or head of a public or private agency for the candidate ability and legitimacy. So you choose people who genuinely know your abilities and character. Don't simply choose someone because they have an impressive title. The third point is a detailed CV. You make sure your CV clearly shows your education, work experience, leadership roles, projects, volunteering, achievements, and other relevant activities. And remember, this is a leadership program. So if you've led a student organization, organized an event, volunteered in a community, you provide everything in there on the CV, aside writing a personal statement that covers all these areas. Next is your established mentoring needs in your personal or business growth. For example, what skills are you trying to develop? What kind of leader do you want to become? Are you interested in entrepreneurship, business management, career development, and many others? You indicate them clearly before you submit your application. Kindly note that the deadline for the application is Tuesday, 15th of September 2026. This is basically how you can apply for this program and how to go about it. If you have any question, you kindly put it in the comments below for assistance. This brings us to the end of this video on whatever you need to know about the PK Amoabeng Leadership Foundation program. In our next video, we are going to take a look at how to actually apply for the scholar program by clicking on the apply to visit the application page to look at how we can go about this. If you've not subscribed to the channel yet, kindly subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in our next video.